Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S coming here with another reaction. Woo! And today, guys, we're here with Trippie Red featuring Tommy Lee with a music video called Helicopter. So big up Trippie Red. First, I listen to one of your song them. Big up the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Sparta. Big up Tommy Lee, Sparta. Let's jump in. I want to answer with the G myself. Let's go. No or never. I'm doing it. Is this a Russian production? Because anybody this Russian are Tommy Lee shot a lick in them head, so it look like Russian have something to do with this. I believe so. Let's go.
My friend got a doing that. Anybody's Russian and Tommy Lee Sparta shot a lick in the head. My friend got a doing that. I'm a Glock bust 33 shot. I go spin them black helicopter. With the chopper.
I go spin them black. What's gonna spin them black like a helicopter? Yo, big up Tommy Lee.
I go spin them black helicopter. With the chopper. When I talk with it, like a boy dance like Diddy. Smoke on a boy like a hippie.
Tap that song again.
Here is red. Who now you're dead? Anybody's Russian and Tommy Lee Sparta shot a lick in the head. My friend got a doing that. I'm a Glock bust 33 shot.
Extension. Yeah.
I go spin them black helicopter. With the chopper. When I talk with it, like a boy dance like Diddy. Smoke on a boy like a hippie. Spinning till it easy.
Look a boy dance like Diddy. So you know, say Diddy have him look a dance, so him do more time in a music with them. Say my yo, him a smoke on a boy like hippie. You know, hippie love them weed and love smoke and love one other thing.
When I talk with it, like a boy dance like Diddy. Smoke on a boy like a hippie. Spinning till it easy. Put them in a mali, no busy. R.I.P. we no show no pity. It was easy. Boy Jackilla just get screen. Him girl run and a scream. Me shoot like a championship team.
And straight like a championship team. My shoot. When I say shoot, it don't mean basketball shoot neither like a championship team. You hear him say? Him Glock hold 33 night, you know, so the extension.
It was easy. Boy Jackilla just get screen. Him girl run and a scream. Me shoot like a championship team. When I play around with my abs. Whoa, revenge is sweet like jobs.
When I play around with my abs, revenge feels sweet like jobs. What kind of jobs you attack? What kind of jobs?
Around with my abs. Whoa, revenge is sweet like jobs. I go spin them black helicopter. With the chopper.
Coming from the underworld, it was just me and 100 girls. Pop champagne, screaming fuck the world. Yeah, I'm 40 on the game, I done fuck the world.
But I tell you, I'm from the underworld. Him and Wally, a girl. Yo, the maddest life the man live. The man tell you, the maddest life him live, dog. The maddest life. Maddest.
Coming from the underworld, it was just me and 100 girls. Pop champagne, screaming fuck the world. Yeah, I'm 40 on the game, I done fuck the world. Murder. When I pull up, I might have it on my mind. Yeah, murder. If it's him or me, I don't have to decide.
If it's him or me, I don't have to decide, brother. Easy choice. That have to be you. Every time it's going to be you, it's not going to be me. Big up Russia, not the video too. Me see you, me G. Big up yourself. Big up yourself.
Fuck the world, murder. When I pull up, I might have it on my mind. Yeah, murder. If it's him or me, I don't have to decide. It's murder.
Yeah, gunshot outside, baby, with a damn red dot. Turn
Turn out the side of your nigga hip hop. They don't wanna ride when this shit get hot. Don't be a killer, but I know him not. Kangaroo Jack if you play get box. Born from that block, I keep a knife in a chop. Birds outside tryna dodge the helicopter.
Best got a green dot. I'm a Glock bust 33 shot.
Craft in that video too. Tell me the link with the young artist and but the whole of North Coast in that video. Deep drive, big up.
I'm a Glock bust 33 shot.
Jinkster in that video.
Nigga spin them black helicopter. With the chopper.
Only Russian could make this collab happen, I swear. Russian is a genius, brother. Directed by Shane Creative, big up yourself. No, I never depend every fucking project. Big up on yourself, dog. The work I put in, we see it. Yo, this bad. I like the video. I like the video. Yeah, Russian that, brother. Come on. Russian not gonna do no mediocre shit, bro. Russian is Russian, fam. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Tamale. Trippie Red, big up yourself. First time listening to you as a rapper, bro. The two artists them kill it. The two artists them fuck up the beat. Two artists them fuck up them verse. Big up on yourself. Collab. We needed this collab. Definitely needed this collab. So big up the two artists them. Russian, big up yourself also, my fam. Big up yourself also. You see me? Yeah. Bad video. Bad production. Now or never. Big up Shane Creative. Big up for the directives. Yeah. Big up Tamale, Sparta Dan, and big up Trippie Red. This time I'm going to leave down and still. If you enjoyed that one, I want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new, and I will see you in a day. Next one. Peace.